Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Test. So let's start our current affairs of October 17 and 18, 2021. On this day, it is celebrated as International Day for the Eradication of Poverty. It is observed on 17th October every year. This day marks the adoption of the Convention on the Rights of the Children, 20th November 1989. Going to the current affairs, the first question is, according to the Global Hunger Index 2021, what is the rank of India in the list? The options are A 101, B 102nd, C 108, and D 110. The correct answer is A 101st. The Global Hunger Index 2021 ranked India 101st out of 116 countries. India among the 31 countries where hunger has been identified as serious. India ranked 94th among 107 countries in the Global Hunger Index 2020. India's GHI score is 27.5, a slight improvement from last year's 27.2. India was also behind most of the neighboring countries. Pakistan was placed at 92nd rank, Nepal at 76, and Bangladesh also at 76. Somalia ranked 116th, that is last in the Global Hunger Index 2021. Somalia has the highest level of hunger according to the 2021 GHI, that is 50.8. Report prepared jointly by Concern Worldwide and World Hunger Health. The Global Hunger Index GHI score is calculated on 4 indicators: undernourishment, child wasting, child stunting, and child mortality. And the second question is, who among the following becomes the first captain to lead 300 matches in T20 format? The options are A. Virat Kohli, B. Kane Williamson, C. Ian Morgan, and D. MS Dhoni. The correct answer is D. MS Dhoni. MS Dhoni will become the first captain to lead 300 matches in T20 format. IPL, CL T20, Asia Cup, T20 World Cup, won every major T20 trophy in the world. Dhoni achieved this feat against KKR in the final of IPL 2021. Darren Sammy is a distant second with 208 and no one else has passed 200. Kohli comes on third as he has led Team India and RCB in 185 matches. And the third question is, who among the following was appointed as chairman of Indian Banks Association? The options are A. D.K. Khara, B. Atul Kumar Goyal, C. Rakesh Kumar, and D. Shaktikanta Das. The correct answer is B. Atul Kumar Goyal. UCO Bank CEO Atul Kumar Goyal appointed chairman of Indian Banks Association. D.K. Khara and Rakesh Kumar appointed deputy chairman of Indian Banks Association. Indian Banks Association formed on 26 September 1946 and headquartered in Mumbai. And the fourth question is, who among the following was crowned the title of Miss Miss India at 2021? The options are A. Dr. Tejasvi Manogna, B. Shri Shalini, C. Rashmi Madhuri, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Rashmi Madhuri. Rashmi Madhuri was crowned the title of Miss India at 2021. She will represent India at Miss Earth 2021 and other world's top beauty pageants. Miss Earth 2021 will be the 21st edition of the Miss Earth pageant. As of 16th October 2021, 75 contestants have been confirmed. Lindsay Coffey of the US will crown her successor at the end of the event. Nicole Faria from India, winner of Miss Earth 2010, the contestants were 84. And the fifth question is, who among the following has been appointed as head coach of the Indian cricket team? The options are A. MS Dhoni, B. Virendra Sehwag, C. Rahul Dravid, and D. Ravi Shastri. The correct answer is C. Rahul Dravid. Rahul Dravid will be appointed as head coach of the Indian cricket team. Ravi Shastri would be stepping down from the position after T20 innings World Cup. Rahul Dravid was appointed the head coach of India under-19 in 2016. Dravid was appointed the head of cricket National Cricket Academy in 2019. Paras Hambre has been appointed as the bowling coach of Indian cricket team. Vikram Rathore will continue as batting coach of Indian cricket team. And the sixth question is, which of the following is the first country to receive payments from a World Bank Trust Fund? The options are A. Mozambique, B. Tanzania, C. Brunei, and D. Egypt. And the correct answer is A. Mozambique. Mozambique is the first country to receive payments from a World Bank Trust Fund for reducing emissions from deforestation and forest degradation (REDD+). FCPF paid Mozambique $6.4 million for reducing 1.2 million tons of carbon emissions since 2019. The seventh question is, which of the following won the SAFF Championship title 2021 8th time? The options are A. Nepal, B. Maldives, C. India, and D. UAE. And the correct answer is C. India. India bet Nepal 3-0 to win SAFF Championship title 2021 for the 8th time. Chetri scored 80th international goal, equaled Messi's 80th goal. The National Football Stadium in capital Male will host all the matches. Total 5 teams participated in tournament. Pakistan and Bhutan not participated. Participating nations are Bangladesh, India, Maldives, Sri Lanka, and Nepal. Afghanistan joined SAFF in 2005 and left the association in 2015. First SAFF championship hosted by Pakistan in 1993, the winner is India. India hosted 3 SAFF championships till now in 1999, 2011 and 2015. Most successful team in SAFF championship tournament is India with 8 titles. South Asian Football Federation, founded in 1997 and headquartered in Dhaka, Bangladesh. The eighth question is, which of the following has been awarded the hosting rights for Asia Cup 2023? The options are A. BCCI, B. PCB, C. SACB, and D. SLCB. And the correct answer is B. PCB. The Pakistan Cricket Board has been awarded the hosting rights for Asia Cup 2023. This decision was taken in Asian Cricket Council meeting headed by Jay Shah. It was also decided that the 2023 Asia Cup will be played in 50-over format, while the 2022 edition to be hosted by Sri Lanka will be played in T20 format. India are the current title holders of the Asia Cup, having won it in 2018. Last time Pakistan hosted a multinational tournament was the 2008 Asia Cup. The first Asia Cup was held in 1984 in Sharjah in the UAE. The winner is India. India, with 7 titles, 6 ODI and 1 T20, is the most successful team in the tournament. Asian Cricket Council, founded on 19 September 1983 and headquartered in Colombo, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is the second most successful team with 5 titles. Sri Lanka has played the most Asia Cups, it is 14. President of Asian Cricket Council is Jay Shah, Secretary of BCCI. And a new app launched, a bilingual mobile application, Healthy Smile, was launched by AIMS to raise awareness on maintaining oral hygiene among children. App is an initiative of the Department of Pediatric and Preventive Dentistry. It will also motivate them to brush thoroughly twice a day. It will help in reducing the burden of dental diseases in near future. The Sports News 2021 IPL is the 14th season of the Indian Premier League. Indian Premier League, established by the Board of Control for Cricket in India in 2007. Chennai beat KKR by 27 runs in 2021 IPL final and won their 4th IPL title. In the sports news, Faf du Plessis won the man of the match in the IPL 2021 final. Rutraj won the Emerging Player Award of IPL 2021 and also Orange Cap with 635 runs. Harshal Patel won Game Changer Award of IPL 2021 and also Purple Cap with 32 wickets. RCB's Harshal Patel also won the Player of the Tournament Award in IPL 2021. Rajasthan Royals team won the Fair Play Award in IPL 2021. Most IPL titles: Mumbai Indians having 5, Chennai having 4 and Kolkata is 2. Most IPL titles as captain: Rohit Sharma 5, MS Dhoni 4 and Gambhir 2. Most T20 finals won as a player: Jayant Bravo 16 and Kieron Pollard with 15. Most IPL final won as a player: Rohit Sharma. Most IPL final won as a player: Rohit Sharma with 6 and MS Dhoni with 4. Coming to the one-liners today, IAS Punya Salila Srivatsava appointed as Additional Secretary in Prime Minister Office. China and Russia are holding joint naval drills, joint C-2021 Sea of Japan. Former Indian hockey international Saranjit Singh had passed away recently. S. Jaishankar will be on a 5-day official visit to Israel. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay home, stay safe.